We washed this roof last year. Coming back for the house wash, and we may get that job over there with a roof and house wash. So. This side's done. This house really isn't that dirty. I think he just put this siding on it last year. Our first job actually got rescheduled to a later date, but we also upselled the driveway on it at the later date, so it's okay. This is our only job today. We've got 2, maybe 3 jobs tomorrow. So we're making good progress. Also, I think I found another truck that we might buy. My brother might buy it, or I might buy it, whichever one. And the Ford hopefully will be running again next week, but you never know. She might be down for a good bit.